Bullish Safemoon cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market examiners accept Safemoon could reach $0 2025. Bearish Safemoon market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Safemoon presentation. On Walk 8, 2021, Safemoon, a computerized resource, was acquainted with acknowledged decentralized finance objectives. Safemoon is a blockchain-based digital currency like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. A distributed organization's common public record that contains information on each exchange is known as a blockchain. Safemoon was made to lessen a portion of the market instability and prize symbolic holders who hold their tokens for quite a while. Be that as it may, because of financial backers' concerns in regards to the expense structure and the trouble in involving advanced money in reality, its cost has dove subsequent to rising strongly in April 2021. Here is an aid that can help you, assuming that you are hoping to put resources into Safemoon. What is Safemoon? Quite possibly of the most well-known asked point on Google as the new cryptographic money furor propelled by the moon took over web-based entertainment was, what is Safemoon? A DeFi token is Safemoon. DeFi, a portmanteau of the expression decentralized finance, is a cryptographic money development that utilizes blockchain innovation to evade legitimate association. Contrasted with more seasoned computerized resources like Bitcoin and Dogecoin, Safemoon is a child in the digital money industry. The DeFi token was as of late acquainted with the market. By and by, Safemoon is as of now a hotly debated issue notwithstanding its childhood. Safemoon Specialized Investigation. Specialized examination utilizes numerical pointers to dissect measurable examples and gauge cost course in the Bitcoin market. Taking a gander at verifiable value developments and volume information comprehends what the market works and gauge how it might mean for future cost changes. Specialized investigation approaches inspect cryptographic money advertises and distinguish exchanging techniques by breaking down value developments and examples seen on graphs. They depend on the reason that a cryptographic money set of experiences of exchanging action and value varieties can be utilized to conjecture future expenses and preparing. SFM started its excursion on December 16, 2021. Following a time of flat cost movement, the money began its bull run, proceeding to rise. Safemoon Basic Examination. Safemoon is a digital money that flows on the Safemoon convention, a DeFi drive that expects to democratize yield cultivating. It appeared in Walk 2021 and before long became one of the most expected image coins. Safemoon has no particular use cases, as it is basically a digital money, however it makes them interest highlights. Any exchange incorporates an expense paid by token holders, a 10% commission. A big part of this commission is given to all holders, while the other half is parted between a shrewd agreement and a liquidity pool. As per the proprietors, this commission fills in as a punishment for examiners while remunerating long-haul financial backers, as well for of guaranteeing liquidity and giving static advantages to those holders. This exceptional specialist ignited a few doubts about Safemoon being a trick. The announcement exacerbated those worries that the group will perform manual consumes as opposed to algorithmically characterized ones, which many accept gives the staff a lot of force. Then again, the improvement group consumed their tokens to guarantee a fair send-off, and they seemed congenial and anxious to respond to any inquiries to scatter any feelings of trepidation. There are other superstar sponsorships to consider, like Diplo's. Safemoon cost. Safemoon is at present worth $0. Safemoon has moved 0.79% as of now with an exchanging volume of $26. Safemoon is at present positioned 1007 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,142,491 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Safemoon market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Safemoon Value Expectation 2022. Safemoon, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Safemoon cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. Safemoon is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Safemoon Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Safemoon cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Safemoon will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Safemoon's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SAFEMOON will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Safemoon Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. SAFEMOON might benefit in the event that the market encounters a decay. The objective may not be met. SAFEMOON is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Safemoon Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Safemoon effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the SAFEMOON coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SAFEMOON will be green in 2025. The SAFEMOON is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Safemoon Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SAFEMOON cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, SAFEMOON has a most extreme value worth of $0. Safemoon Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that SAFEMOON figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help SAFEMOON needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Safemoon Value Expectation 2028. While SAFEMOON is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Safemoon Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Safemoon will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Safemoon Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest SAFEMOON cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And we realize there is monstrous strain to be one of the principal Safemoon clients. Nonetheless, not all cryptos that produce titles will live to see one more day. In this way, we hold on to check whether Safemoon merits your cash prior to buying. There is no motivation to rush on the grounds that the cost will stay low for a long time. What is the Safemoon cost today? Today,